All right, good evening, everybody. Happy weekend. So what I'm going to do is what I told you I'm going to do, and do a few examples on the board. I'm gonna do like 3 of them. So I'm gonna start with D on the homework. Plus O2 equals SO3. So something I want you to do that I did not show you in class to make it easier for yourself. I want you to draw a line right here, all right? So if you got your piece of paper at home right now, I want you to draw a line, and then I want you to put S equals, O equals. Then put S, and then put O. So this is an easier way to help us. All right, so on this side, we have 8 atoms of S and 2 of O. On this side, we have 1 atom of S and 3 of O. So now we have to see that 8 and 1 are not balanced, all right? So remember what I said, we add coefficients. So one of the first things that we do in order to get this balance is let's add the coefficient of 8. So now that gives us 8S on this side. Let's add, we already have 8 S on this side, so we're just gonna add 1. So that gives us 8 on this side, 8 on this side. Now let's go to oxygen. Oxygen, we have 2 on this side and we have 3 on this side, but this 8 is being carried over to everything. So now the 8 changes this to 24 oxygen. And now we have to figure out what times 2 is 24, and it's 12. So now that gives us 8S, 8S, 24O, 24O. So that is how you do letter D on the homework. So now I'm gonna do letter E. So E is C7, H6, O2 plus O2. Remember that yields means equal. CO2 plus H2O. Once again, we're gonna draw a line because that's gonna help us do all of this. We're gonna put C equals, H equals, and O equals. Then we're gonna put C, H, and O. So on this side, we have C has 7, H has 6, O has 4. Because remember, that 2 and that 2, you're gonna add them to. On this side, C has 1, H has 2,
I need this,
and O has 3. Thank you to the audience in the back. All right, so the first thing that we do is we have to add a coefficient over here in order to balance these 2 out because that's 7 and that's 1. So we're gonna put 7 right there. We're gonna make that 7, so I'm gonna put a 1. So we balance this out, that checks out. Now we have the H's to worry about. We have 6 over here and we have 2 over here. So a good number to use between 6 and 2 will be 3. 3 times 2 is 6. And we already have 6 over there, that checks out. So now we gotta do the oxygens. So remember, this coefficient goes to everything after it in the equation. So 7 times 2 is 14. And then this 3 is also a coefficient that goes to everything. And then 3 times 2 is 6. So 14 plus 6 is 20. So now we have 20 oxygen, but we only have 4 over here. So what times 2 is 20? 10. So now we have 20 oxygen there, 20 oxygen there. Remember to like and subscribe on my channel. Peace. Thank you.